Hey everyone, it's J.I.V. Lee, aka Nail for TD, and I'm back with another nail tutorial. This time we're going to be doing a fill-in and a nail fix on this set. And as you can kind of see on the pointer finger, it looks like a chunk of like acrylic was drilled out, and it was because at the little bottom part there was a crack in the nail, and I'm going to show you guys how I fixed it by as I go in with the drill bit to take away the lifting, I also go in to fix that crack and then just, put my acrylic on top normally. So for this set, I, of course, forgot to record the part where I took away the lifted parts. But yeah, this set is about, I think this is about the third fill-in, and I told her the next time she comes in, you're gonna have to get a soak off because her pointer nails curve really bad as they grow out. As you can kind of see, like the pointer is like curved down a bit. So I try to get my clients to get like a soak off every like 3 to 4 fill-ins, just so they're not getting, fill-ins back to back to back. And also, so like if their nails curve, I can fix it with a fresh set. I started off by using 2 layers of my Mia Secret dehydrator, 1 layer of the Mia Secret primer, and then before I apply the acrylic to each nail, I add another layer of Young Nails Protein Bond. And I'm using Valentino Beauty Pure's Classic Nude right now to do this fill-in. So for the fill-in part, what I tried to do is use a smaller bead of acrylic and fill in the gap between the cuticle and the new growth of the nail. Then I use a big bead to cover. This is actually more of a rebalancing now that I'm describing it, a apex rebalancing, because I use a big bead to go down the body of the nail and kind of adjust that apex for where it needs to be now that the nail has grown out and become just a little longer. And then I may need to use another bead to fix the new apex that I've created for this the new structure of the grown out nail. So here's the finished application, and as you guys can see, the pointer finger kind of curves down a bit while the other fingers do not. Let me know in the comments if there's any tips like to prevent the nail from growing out like that, or if it's just like a natural thing that happens to nails, because I notice a lot of people's pointer fingers curve down like that as well. So now I'm going in with my dust collector and my Pana carbide 5-in-1 drill bit that I got off of Amazon to correct the shape of the nails and make sure those cuticles are flush, and also make sure that the surface of the nail is really smooth. I think my phone deleted some of the videos, which is so annoying, but I go in after my e-file, I go in with my hand file and straighten out the sides of the nail, and then I ask my clients to turn their hand over so I can file the free edge of the nail to make sure that all the nails are straight and the same length as well. So my client showed me this design that she wanted recreated, and I just used a bunch of different polishes. I think I used an orange gel polish, a like golden yellow gel polish, and a white gel polish to create like this mango-y color. It looks a lot better in person than on the nail. It's kind of looking mustardy in this video, but it looks a lot better in person. Yeah, so I created that color, and as far as pricing wise, I price sets like this. They're just as much as the French tips that I do, because this is basically a French tip, like a slanted French tip. Now I'm going in with Born Pretty's metallic drawing gel in the silver color, and on the other side creating a diagonal line, and then another line across the free edge of the nail. Here's the final look of this summery recreation set. Yeah, sorry, not sorry. I had to show you guys all the footage I got of this set. I absolutely love this set. I really feel like I bodied this fill-in. Thank you all again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.